Firstly, open your terminal by clicking on Terminal tab and then click on Terminal. You can see that my default terminal directory is on this address on Users Project directory. Now simply click on File tab on the upper left corner. And then click on Preferences. After that, click on Settings option. Now in search settings bar write following command. Terminal. Integrated. CWD. Now you can see that you can change your explicit start path where the terminal will be launched. I want to change my default terminal directory to my new JavaScript project. So I will change the path like this. And now you can check whether the terminal directory was changed. Again, click on Terminal tab and click on New Terminal option. And that's it. Now you should have your default terminal directory changed.